Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming hardware and software readiness. Open Device Manager and verify your Wi-Fi adapter lists 802. 11 AC or AX, because that's how you get 5 GHz. Next, make sure Windows 10 and the wireless driver are updated. Use the vendor driver when possible, since Microsoft drivers can lack features. Once done, log into your router and enable or verify the 5 GHz SSID name and password, writing them down precisely so you can select the correct network in the next step. You now open the Windows 10 network list and choose the exact 5 GHz SSID, enter the password and connect. If the 5 GHz network is not visible, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter, then open the Adapter Properties, Advanced tab, and set preferred band to 5 GHz or auto. You can also temporarily disable the 4 GHz SSID on the router or turn off the adapter's 4 GHz mode to force a 5 GHz connection, but remember to restore settings if other devices need 4 GHz. You finish by verifying the connection. Run a speed test and confirm the Wi-Fi adapter shows a 5 GHz link. This proves you're using the higher band. If speeds are poor or you cannot connect, restart both laptop and router, then reinstall the vendor driver. A key troubleshooting tip: change the router's 5 GHz channel or adjust channel width to 40 or 80 MHz to avoid interference. This often resolves intermittent drops. If issues persist, test with another 5 GHz device to isolate the router versus laptop.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.